Alright, my friends, it is time for us to see what we can do with HTML and CSS before we can learn them. Okay, so I'm gonna open a new slide. Okay, now here is HTML and here is CSS. Okay, now these two let's say technologies, when we are combining them together, okay, we are gonna get some content on the web browser. Okay, so these are really cool stuff. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna open a website. Here I have a website that I have built with HTML and CSS only, and of course in the next few videos I'm gonna show you also how to do the same thing. Okay, how to build this website using HTML and CSS. So here we have a website, and I'm pretty sure that you have saw a website, or at least you have your school, maybe your university or anything has a website. So as you can see, this is the website. We have some cool stuff here on the top. We have images, we have, it's kind of like a video player, and we have this content right here. Okay, so as you can see here, another example, and here we have this one. So all these kind of stuff are built in HTML and CSS. How cool is that? So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is maybe a bit advanced, but still you are writing HTML and CSS. Okay, this is very cool. So if you think that this is really exciting, then I'm just gonna tell you that I have only used HTML and CSS to put everything that you can see right here in front of your face. But I want to understand. So now I already know that in order for me to implement something like this, okay, I have to use HTML and CSS, right? But how I am going to implement that? This is the really important question. I want to understand each job, or the job for each one here individually. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. So in this video, I just have show you an example of HTML and CSS. In the next video, I'm gonna take this example, the same example, and see what technologies I did and how I implement that. So see you in the next one.